What's up guys, Buadev is here. Today I want to teach you how you can teleport in Unity using paths and portals. And I will make everything very simple and fast, so if you like my content and want to see more videos like this, please like this one and subscribe to my channel. Now let's get started, and I have this scene and we will be working today here. And obviously first thing that we need is to have some kind of portal or pad. You can use anything you want, but I have prepared these teleportation pads for us. This is free assets from the Unity's asset store, and I will leave link to it in the description down below, so you can use same as me. And it has this prefabs pack, and we can basically use any of them. So let's drag and drop one of them, and let's see how it looks like. I think it looks fine. Yes, indeed, it looks fine. It also has this particle system and sound system and a lot of things, but we don't care about them. Obviously, we also need second point. From here, we're gonna teleport at some point. And what we can do, we can duplicate this one and place second pad somewhere into our scene where we want to teleport. And to do it, we can select our teleport and click on the Control and D, and it will duplicate, and let's place it somewhere, for example here. And let's one more thing that we need to do, we can create new empty game object as a child of second pad, and let's click here and create empty, and let's name it target point, because we are gonna use this target points position to teleport our player from the script. And other thing that we're gonna do is to select our teleporter pad, and if you are using same as me, it already has this capsule collider with a is trigger ticked, and it looks fine. But if you are using other assets, it might not have any kind of collider, so please add some kind of collider, capsule or box collider, and tick is trigger, otherwise our method won't work. And now we can create new C# script, and to do it, in the assets folder, empty space, click with the right mouse button, create C# script. I already have prepared this empty script for us. I named it teleport. You can name it anything you want. Just drag and drop this teleport script into your first pad here. And let's double click to open Visual Studio. We don't need this start and update, so let's delete them. And we need reference to our player and target point. So let's say here public game object, the player, and public transform target point. And we are gonna use on trigger enter. So type here on trigger enter, click enter, and it will auto compile. And here we can say the player dot transform dot position is equal to target point dot position. So what we are doing is just checking when we trigger something, when our player triggers something. In our case, our pad has this capsule collider with the is trigger ticked. So when we enter here on our pad, our player's position will become our target point's position. And as you remember, this target point is attached to second teleport. And it's a very simple way to teleport between 2 points, between 2 pads. And let's see if everything working. First of all, let's select our teleport and pad, first one, and we need to assign the player and target point. So let's drag our player here, and let's drag our target point here. We can now press play and see if everything works fine. And here is our player, and indeed we teleported when we go there. And here will nothing happen. Obviously, you can make this teleport only one time, or you can have the repeated teleports like we have right now, or you can delete this other teleport after you are teleporting. And let me show you quickly how you can do it. Maybe you want that way. On the second teleport, we need to attach new script. So let's create new C# script. And I named it teleport destroy. You can name it anything you want. And let's attach this script into our second teleport. And let's double click to open in Visual Studio. And here we need reference to our player. So let's say public game object, the player. And now we are going to use on trigger exit. Here we can say destroy game object. So when our player will leave the zone of second teleporter pad, it will be destroyed. Let's save the script. Let's go back in Unity and let's see if everything works. But first we need to attach our player here on the empty slot. So let's drag our player here and let's press play and see. Here is our player. Let's quickly teleport there. And when we exit the zone, this teleport will be destroyed. But note that this is for only one-time teleportation. Obviously, when we enter now into our teleport, we don't teleport anymore in the other point. But if you are looking to create this mechanic, this is the way you go. But for me, I will just delete this teleport destroy. I don't need this one. And more that you can do is you can have lots of teleportation points. Basically, for example, you can duplicate the second one. And for example, let's place it here. And when we teleport here, from here, we can teleport here. And only thing that we need to do to make everything work, first let's position it, our teleporter better. Let's select our second teleport. And here we should add our teleport script first. And here let's select our player and drag. And for the target point, we will just drag second pad's target point. And this way you can have unlimited teleports. Basically, let's first see if everything working fine. And here is our player. Let's teleport there. And one problem that is happening, as you saw, we teleported from here to here. And we skipped this teleport and we don't need it. That happened because technically, well, we teleported here first and then on the third teleport, but our target point is inside our second teleport, and that's why when we teleported here, we immediately teleported on the other pad. So what we can do, we can select our second teleport and target point. We can drag this target point in front of our teleport, and this way we will be teleported in this point, and we can obviously teleport in other point then. And let's press play and test if everything working. Okay, let's go. And indeed, we are teleported on the right point. And from here, we can teleport on the second point, second pad. And here we go, guys. This is how you can easily make as much teleportation pads as you want, or portals. You can obviously add some particle systems to it if you don't like this one. But this is the way to go. I hope you understand everything. And if you have questions, as always, please feel free to leave them in the comments down below. And if you like my content and want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell not to miss any new upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye bye.